I'm super excited about this video to cover 3 must-have tools, but I'm more excited about the fact, and it blows my mind every time I see that these 3 tools you can use for free, or more specifically, you can get started for free and then move into them or start paying for them once you see some results and you grow into a real online business. Now, typically when people get started or they first look at doing affiliate marketing and think about how they're going to make money as an affiliate, they land on a marketplace much like what you see here at ClickBank, and they start looking at things like average conversions and thinking how they're going to promote this offer and how much money they're going to make based upon the numbers they see here on these offers. And they don't give any consideration to the real strategy that they're going to be using. Now, my strategy I call the top strategy, and it starts off with traffic. Traffic is the first foundational phase, with offer being the second foundational phase, and then people being the third foundational phase of the strategy, and then adding each one of these phases as you move through the steps that are involved in each phase to build these inside of what I call the top strategy. So again, it goes back to looking at these offers. These offers are just that. They're offers. They're products that as an affiliate, you will be offering up to solve a problem or as the solution for someone that has a problem that you're going to address in content that you create that is going to be created in the first foundational phase I call traffic. Now, the first tool that just recently came on the scene that is huge is ChatGPT, and you can try this out for free. And this is a great tool to help you or to assist you, not do for you, but assist you in creating content. And to see how this works, simply once you get a free account, you go there and you can give input, or you can ask ChatGPT, the artificial intelligence, the AI, to help you. Write me 5 social media posts about using affiliate marketing as a beginner to make money online. Then when you provide that output or set the context for this chat inside of ChatGPT, sure, here are 5 social media posts about using affiliate marketing as a beginner to make money online. And then it gives you these social media posts. These are pieces of content that you could then take and post on social media to drive traffic. Understand this is at the simplest, or this is at the basic level of just understanding that this is how you get started with this tool. And again, this tool is 100% for free. Now you can continue with this tool to generate content and generate content ideas and say or ask it to give you quotes from famous influencers for each of the posts that I can then use to make Instagram posts. As you can see here, it generated 5 quotes about affiliate marketing from somewhat famous influencers that you could then take and use the second tool, again, that is for free. And that second tool will be Canva, and everyone has heard of Canva. And if you want to generate Instagram posts, they have Instagram templates. And you can simply start your search by looking for Instagram templates and then simply scrolling through here until you find something that resonates with you and or would resonate with your audience. Once you find one you like, you simply select it and then you select customize this template. It opens up that template and you simply edit it. Again, mind blown for the fact, or it blows my mind every time that I realize the fact of this is a free tool and you can access and do this for free. And then when you pair this up with ChatGPT that is offered currently now for free, and you take this and you say, okay, I want to take this quote and I'm just going to simply copy this quote because it is a quote that I'm going to add into this and create a piece of content that I can then post. And you can see here, did you know? And you add here, and then you simply give credit to the person that actually generated the quote, and you simply click share, and then you can download this as a PNG and share it. Or they even have tools here. And this is the kicker or the key here to understand that the reason I'm making this video is to show you free tools, but understand that these tools are given away for free. Basically, this is lead generation. Their business model is built on giving you free access to this tool that you can use to build your own business. But eventually, if you want to use different features such as scheduling, then if you want to schedule this as content and start creating content, you could simply download this and do it yourself. meaning you can upload it to your social media platform of choice, or you can get a paid version of Canva, and then you can actually have Canva schedule the post and post on your behalf as your business, or using that inside of the top strategy to generate traffic over to an offer. Again, those offers we're looking at over on ClickBank, where most people start. Actually, you need to start with traffic and generating content. And the first two tools that I've just showed you, ChatGPT helps you or acts as an assistant to generate content ideas, or in the case of those quotes, literally generate the content for you. And then the second tool that I showed you, Canva, is again under the idea of creating traffic or content. You take the information from your free account in ChatGPT, move that over and create a social media graphic, or a graphic that you can use on social media, post that up to your social media of choice, the one that resonates with your audience and or the offer that you're trying to get people to click on your affiliate link so you can earn a commission. And then at that stage, you go back to the top strategy and you say, now I have traffic because I've used ChatGPT to help me generate content ideas or come up with the quotes. I also have traffic because I'm generating those social media posts, those images over in Canva, and I'm posting those over on Facebook or Instagram, building my audience. And of course, that audience is people. So people, in the case of the top strategy, is building groups or lists of people. And of course, if you want to build an email list, you can do that for free as well with the third tool that I'm going to show you, which is GetResponse, which is an email autoresponder or an email list builder and an autoresponder that will allow you to sign up people to an email list and then send them emails. And as you can see here, GetResponse is free, and the free forever plan literally gives you what every business needs. You can build and host a website, but you don't even need that at this point. All you need for lead generation is to build and host a landing page, and then you can use that to sign up and get people through contact forms added to a list up to 500 people. And that is easily enough people to get started for free to build a real online business and to actually get into profit when you do this consistently. And then, of course, start engaging with your leads using email marketing. Now, you're not going to start doing all of this at once overnight. You're going to build these phases, just like I've shown you here in the top strategy, starting with traffic and then picking an offer that resonates with the content that you're creating, and then add those people, the people that are interested in your content, and realize that the offer that you're offering is the solution to their problem. You will add them to a list. And then what that looks like, or what I call the affiliating accelerator, is 3 steps per phase, where you go from zero to profit, meaning that you have nothing. You're starting at zero, ground zero, building a business. You're doing it for free. Like I said in the title of this video, no credit card required to get started with these 3 tools. And then you simply pick a topic, just like we did, or the idea that we came up with, creating content around a topic, creating those social media posts. Then, of course, step 2, I've labeled, or I've called, tools, tech, and time. In this video, we covered the tools, 3 tools that you can instantly start using for free. And then you can move into the third phase, or the third step in the first phase, which is creating steady content to help people solve their problem. And then you move into an offer, which includes creating a lead magnet and letting people know how that offer, your affiliate offer, actually solves their problem. And of course, to do that, you can simply go back to Canva. Again, a free account inside of Canva. You can create a checklist or a lead magnet, and then you can simply here create this lead magnet in the same format. You simply just customize this template. And then when you customize this template, you have the ability to come in here, just like we did previously, and utilize Canva, the free version, to create this lead magnet. This information, this helpful information, is going to make sure you're solving a problem for the people that you're going to be adding to your email list. So they're going to sign up to your email list to get this guide. In this case, a guide to choosing plant-based proteins. And again, you ask me, how are we going to do this? You're simply going to go back to ChatGPT and say something as simple as this. Give me a checklist to act as a guide to choosing plant-based proteins. Sure, here's a checklist that can help you, or can help guide you in choosing plant-based proteins. It's simply going to guide you. It's going to assist you in getting started by giving you this checklist. And then you take this checklist, you validate the information, you make sure that it matches exactly what you want to say. in your checklist that you're going to be giving away. Again, you take that back, you build that here in Canva, you simply come over to share, and then you simply click download, and then you download that here as a PDF. You give that PDF away, you build a squeeze page over in GetResponse, the third tool that I showed you in this video. Of course, there are links in the description to all of these tools. You simply have no excuse for being able to get started. I've given you the top strategy, which include the 3 foundational phases of traffic, offer, and people. I even gave you a glimpse of the affiliating accelerator, breaking down each foundational phase into 3 simple steps. And of course, the 3 free tools to get started. All you have to do is put this information into action. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.